Hey guys, welcome to my first review ever, so bear with me. Today I'm going to review the EKA Swede. It's a folding knife made by a Swedish company. As you can see, it's a simple lock-back design, really strong lock, no side movement, no up and down, nothing. It's really compact, it has a really nice form factor, really good grip. You can have full finger grip on it. It has some jimping on the top for your thumb. I believe it's a Scandi grind with a secondary bevel. It might be a hollow grind, I'm not sure. As I said, it's a lock-back design, so you have to use both hands to open it, which might be a con for someone. I don't really care for what I use it for. I think it's a great EDC. It's also great for all-around outdoor and bushcraft tasks. As I said before, it's a rubberized grip. It has stainless steel liners on the inside with the rubber on top. The blade is made of Sandvik 12C27 steel. I'm not familiar with that one, but I know Sandvik makes some good steels, and from my use it has been quite easy to sharpen and it keeps an edge really long. So that's my short overview of the EKA Swede. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, please click thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. Thanks again. That's all from me today. Bye.